Apparently, Chainsaw Man is gonna have a different ending for each episode. There's only one artist that I give a shit about in that list of endings, and it's Maximum the Hormone, because I'm actually a big Maximum the Hormone fan. Like, top 5, top 3 favorite bands ever. Like, not even fucking... I'm not joking. I love Maximum the Hormone. If you don't know who Maximum the Hormone are, have you watched Death Note? Then you know who Maximum the Hormone are. Actually, I don't like those songs as much as I like their future songs. I think they got better and crazier as they went on. But anyway, I bring all of this up right now because from now on, we're going to be playing a game. We're going to be playing a little game, which is this the Maximum the Hormone outro episode? And it's funny because it could be this one, right? It could be episode 3. I don't know. It's a 10% chance. Like, we have 10 episodes left, so it's a 1 in 10 chance. So, all right, that's enough preamble. Let us begin. Why is that so fucking cool? Okay. I like this. Yeah! Fuck yes! Oh, it's good too! This song slaps! I need the full version of the song immediately. Oh, it's so good. Yes. Sing it now, Chan. The visuals are so good. The music is so good. Everything is so good. I'm so happy it was episode 3. I'm so happy I didn't have to wait for it. Oh my god, that's so fucking good. What is the YouTube Chainsaw Man ending 3? I need the full version of the song immediately. Is it on Spotify? HAWATARI NIOKU CENTI. It's on Spotify. HAWATARI NIOKU CENTI 200 millicentimeter long blades. Yes. Fooling people, sorry, I got distracted thinking about Maximum the Hormone, my favorite band, which also made a song that fucking slaps. I'm just gonna get the fuck out of here now. Oh, it's only the TV edit? It's only the TV edit? I want to hear the full version. No. It's only the TV edit. I really wanted to hear the full version. Man, fuck this shit. Okay, I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna listen to the TV edit anyway. See you guys next week.